welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I got this eye look. It's kind of like a reddish orangey, more reddy sunset look. So I just picked up the Morphe 35M palette and it looks like this. I think it's really pretty. I never really do red or orange tones on myself because I feel like it clashes with my hair, but I wanted to try something new today. If you want to see how I got this look, then make sure to keep on watching. Starting off, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm just going to be blending this onto my eyelid with my Dirty Beauty Blender. Now to set the concealer, I'm going to take some loose setting powder and just put a little bit on my eyelid. Now taking a Morphe blending brush, I'm going to go in with the new palette and with my transition color, and I'm going to use the one right here first. And I'm just going to use that on, or go in with, what am I saying? I'm gonna go in with that color onto my crease and just blend it out. Keep blending. Literally in my head, all I say is just keep blending, just keep blending. Next, I'm gonna go in with a similar shade right here on the end. And I'm just gonna do the same thing and blend that into my crease. Going in with this orange color, I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm going to just a little bit, I like to tap it off and then blow it a little, so there's not too much color on your brush, so it doesn't go on intense. So I'm gonna take that color and just start in the middle of my eye and just blend. Just keep blending. I like to build up my color and not start off with an intense color because it's gonna make your eyeshadow not look good when it's not blended. So I'm also going to take something with a straight, what would you call this? An edge? I don't know. And I'm going to go like this and blend my eyeshadow like that, just so I don't have any fallout here, and so the line is like a cut, but not too intense. Now taking a completely clean blending brush, this one's from Urban Decay, I'm just gonna go over what I did and just blend it all out. Now I'm gonna just keep going in with more of that orange until I have like the color that I want it to be. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. Now I'm gonna go in with a smaller eyeshadow brush, and this is from the Sephora collection, so it like came in a pack. I'm gonna be taking this and I'm gonna go in with this red color right here, and I'm just gonna pack that on my eyelid. Now that color is on my eyelid, I'm gonna go back in with this smaller blending brush and go back in with the same orange color and just start blending that into the red.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
And now that that is all blended, I'm gonna go in with the MAC 242 brush, and I'm gonna take this red right next to it. It's like a shimmery red, and I'm gonna pack that onto my eyelid. I'm just gonna blend a little more. Just gonna throw some eyelashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now the eyelashes are on. The eyelashes that I used are the Ardell Wispies. So next I'm gonna go in and do my waterline and my lower lash line. So I'm gonna be taking the same orange color and going in with a smaller brush. I'm gonna be putting this in my waterline. And then I'm going to be taking the same brush that I used to pack down the red the first time I went in. I'm going to be taking the same red color and just mixing it with the orange and blending out my lower lash line. Now for mascara, I'm just going to be using the Rocket by Maybelline, and I'm just going to be coating my lower lashes.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video and how to get this reddish orange sunset smoky eye. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell button because it will notify you when I have videos up. So I try to post at least 4 times a week if I can. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.